Once upon a time in the magical forest of Willow Woods, there lived a curious bear named Benny. Benny was not like other bears. Where most bears would be content sleeping or munching on berries, Benny was always wondering about the big world outside the forest. Every morning, Benny would wake up to the cheerful chirping of birds and the vibrant colors of wildflowers. One day, as Benny trotted through the forest, he stumbled upon an old dusty map covered in moss near an ancient oak tree. It was mysterious and exciting. The map promised an adventure to a hidden place called Berry Mountain, where the biggest, juiciest berries grew. Benny's eyes sparkled with excitement. "Imagine all the berries I could find," he thought, as he hugged the map tightly. Benny packed his little satchel with essentials: honey snacks, a water bottle shaped like a mushroom, and his favorite red hat. As he started his journey, all his forest friends waved goodbye from behind trees and flowers. Benny was going on an adventure, but the journey wasn't always easy. Benny had to cross a wiggly river, crawl under a twisty tree, and climb over a rocky hill. At each turn, Benny would stop and ask directions from a wise old owl perched high above the trees. "Keep going, Benny. You're nearly there," the owl would hoot with encouragement. After a long and tiresome day, Benny reached Berry Mountain just as the sun began to set, painting the sky with shades of orange and pink. To Benny's surprise, the mountain wasn't guarded by fierce animals or scary shadows. Instead, he found rows and rows of luscious berries, glowing under the twilight. Benny felt his heart leap with joy. He picked berries until his satchel was full, and even saved some to share with his friends back home. With his new bounty, Benny headed home. Tired but happy, he waved at the owl, who winked back with a knowing smile. Back at Willow Woods, Benny shared his discoveries with his friends. From that day on, Benny was known as Benny the Brave, the bear who brought home the sweetest berries. And every time Willow Woods residents enjoyed the lovely berry snacks, Benny would smile, knowing he was part of something wonderful.